Imagine starting a brand new YouTube channel and reaching more than 2.480 million subscribers with just 26 videos. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But that's exactly what's happening now with the viral Duck Quest and Rabbit Quest trend. As you can see, the video, The Rabbit Cried Very Sadly, Unable to Save the Kitten from the Rabbit's Journey channel has 167 million views in just 7 weeks. And you know what? Not only do these videos get millions of views, they also make a lot of money. This video can make $13,000 in a few weeks with a short video. Another example is the video, A Duckling Will Do Anything for the Person He Loves the Most, from the Ducks Quest channel, which received 153 million views of this video in 6 weeks and a total of 986,000 subscribers for 23 videos. As you can see, all of these channels are already monetized. But here's the problem. Most creators are missing the key steps that make these videos viral and profitable. Some skip crucial elements, making their videos boring, low quality, or even demonetization as Rabbit's Quest channel. The good news? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your own viral Duck Quest videos, step by step, even using my free, full-featured prompt that will save you hours of work and supercharge your video creation. With my prompt, you too can create a viral animal similar to these two channels with unlimited stories that will help you grow your channel. No need to show your face, no advanced skills required, no expensive tools required, even no need to come up with your own ideas. Just with my prompt and a little creativity and a few free AI tools, and you can start earning on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram without spending a dime. Specifically, I will show you how to avoid mistakes like that of the Rabbit's Quest channel, namely that demonetizing. And there's a bonus part at the end of this tutorial with pro tips on monetizing, boosting engagement, and making your videos stand out. So stick around, because every step is important, and skipping even one can mean the difference between a viral hit and a video that flops. Let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect story. The secret to viral videos isn't just visuals, it's storytelling. Without a compelling story, even the most beautiful images won't hold your audience's attention. Your audience needs to feel emotionally connected to the characters and the journey. I know that this is not easy and takes a lot of time for most creators, but with an AI tool like ChatGPT, you can do it yourself. But to create a viral movie story, every creator should know how to best use ChatGPT. In this video, I have a complete prompt for you that is easy to use to complete the difficult words for you. All you need to do is copy and paste to get a complete movie story format. You can also get all the images for each scene of the story in step 2 and a voiceover in step 4. Before I show you how to use my power prompt, let me explain how to write a strong Duck Quest story. 1. Start with a relatable problem. Every great story begins with a conflict. Maybe your duck is lost, searching for a home, or on a mission to find a missing friend. 2. Add a twist. Don't make it too predictable. Maybe the duck befriends an unlikely animal or discovers a magical pond with secret powers. 3. Build emotional moments. Viewers connect with emotions, so add moments of joy, struggle, and triumph to make the audience root for your duck. 4. End with a satisfying resolution. Make sure your story has a rewarding conclusion. A happy ending works well, but leaving room for a sequel can boost engagement even more. Okay, let me explain how to use my prompt to create cinematic stories. First, copy and paste the prompt 1, recommending the 10 best animals for emotional, inspiring stories, into the ChatGPT text box to get the best animal for the animal quest if you don't want to repeatedly use the duck or rabbit. This can help your channel stand out so the YouTube algorithm likes it. Okay, you have 10 great animal options for your channel. Now copy the second prompt, generating 10 emotional and inspiring animal stories with mutual rescue, and paste it into the ChatGPT text box and replace the animal you want. Press the Enter key. ChatGPT will then generate 10 emotional stories. You will never run out of ideas to create a video for your channel. If you want every story to be an animal saving another animal, try my prompt 2B. Do the same with prompt 2A to get 10 stories and even 1,000 stories for your channel. Next, copy the third prompt, breaking a story into cinematic, emotionally engaging scenes, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then choose one of the 10 best stories you like and replace it here. Press Enter to get a complete story broken down into small scenes. You can easily turn into images using another AI tool. If you use my strategies, you will get a beautifully structured, scene-by-scene story that will captivate your audience. Each scene will be filled with adventures, obstacles, and emotional twists to keep viewers hooked until the end. Step 2. Creating stunning images. Now that we have our story, it's time to bring it to life with stunning AI-generated imagery. First, copy and paste my fourth prompt, converting each scene into highly detailed image prompts to get all the image prompt for each scene in your story. This will ensure that every image is cinematic, emotionally engaging, and visually stunning, and specific, uniform characteristics for each animal. Okay now, using AI tool like Leonardo AI, pick Lumen for image generation, generation, link in the description. Both of these tools offer free credits for you. In this video, I will introduce you to these two tools. Okay, here we go. For both tools, you need to sign up to get a free account. For the Leonardo tool, click on Image Creation and set the model to Phoenix 1 and select 3D render style for the best results. Then use the TikTok aspect ratio 9:16 for vertical videos. Copy and paste your scene image prompts into Leonardo, but don't hit enter yet. Here's a tip. To create a consistent animal character for your stories, I suggest including specific prompts for each animal character. After pasting your scene image prompt, copy the prompt for each animal character related to that scene and paste it after the animal's name. Hit generate to create stunning images. If you want even more consistency, you can add a fixed seed after creating the first image of each animal to get the same character design. Repeat the process for the remaining image prompts to get all the images of your story. For Piclumen, click on Create and set the model to Piclumen Art V1. Then use the YouTube short aspect ratio 9:16 for vertical videos. Finals, click on Batch Image Count and select 2 for free account. Then do the same as with Leonardo. Copy and paste image prompt here to generate all the images for your story. Pro tip: if the first images are not perfect, tweak the prompts slightly and regenerate until you get the perfect shot. Experimentation is the key. Step 3. Turning images into videos. Now it's time to transform static images into animated, engaging video clips. A slideshow is not enough. We need motion. This is where HeyLuOI Video and KlingAI.com come in. Link in the description. You can use one of them, but for free credit, you can use these two tools to get quick for the process. But if you want more benefits and advantages, I recommend you to get licensed from these tools. After you sign in for Kling AI tools, click on AI Video. Select frames, upload your first image and copy and paste the corresponding image. Prompt into the input box here. Click Create and let AI animate the image. Download the image and repeat the process for all images. If you want to use HeyLuOI Video, you can do the same with Kling AI process. Click on Create, select Image to Video, upload the image and copy the associated prompt. Paste it here, click on Generate, and you will get an emotional video. Pro tip: premium users can queue up to 5 images at a time, making the process much faster and smoother. If an animation doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and regenerate. AI is powerful but needs a little guidance. Step 4. Adding voiceover for monetization. This is the most important step for turning on monetization. To qualify for monetization on YouTube, your content needs original elements. The best way with AI video? Add a compelling voiceover to significantly increase your chances of monetization. I can show you an example for the Rabbit's Quest channel. As you can see in the recent videos about this channel, they have 481,000 subscribers, but they are missing a chance to make money because they do not have a voiceover, which is why they hide, remove all videos, and making a new video with voiceover. This is really important for new channels that have not switched to monetization yet. Please try to add a voiceover. In my opinion, a sound effect is not enough to qualify for the YouTube policy, especially for AI videos. If your channel is monetized, you can skip the voiceover. But if you plan to make long videos, I recommend using voiceover to maximize your revenue. If you like my sharing with these tips, please like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and making money online. Okay, let us start with adding voiceovers. You can use AI or human voiceovers. If you are confident, record your own voiceover for maximum engagement and monetization opportunities. If you want to save your time, you can try 11 Labs or Murph AI. First, copy my 5th prompt, converting image prompts into emotional, engaging storytelling narration, and paste it into ChatGPT to create perfectly narrated dialogue and emotional storytelling. Then copy and paste each scene into 11 Labs, select the best voice for your favorite, press Generate to get a professional, natural voice for every scene in your story. Then click on Download and save it to your drive, and repeat the process for the rest of the scene. Step 5. Final editing. In this video, I use CapCut for editing. Link in my description. You can also use other platforms that are convincing. 1. Import all animated clips and voiceovers and synchronize the visuals with audio. 2. Trim them to 3 seconds per clip to keep the pacing snappy. 3. Then stretch the video to fill the frame to remove watermarks. 4. Add smooth transitions. Fade in and fade out effects make your video look professional. And don't forget to add subtle effects such as black noise to achieve a coherent look. 5. Add sound effects and music for even more engagement. A good video needs good sound. Here's how to make your video immersive. Use Suno AI or YouTube's audio library to find a perfect track. Download croaks, rippling water, and dramatic sounds from Pixabay. And remember to balance the audio levels so the sound effects don't overpower the music. Add the adjust layer to balance the colors of the entire video and make your video more visually appealing by applying applying settings like 555 for contrast and brightness, and set the final value for saturation to 20. 7. When your video is ready, export your video in 1080p 30 FPS for the best quality. 8. Now you can upload the video to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. The more platforms, the better. Pro tips for you. Keep the pace fast with short videos. People scroll quickly, so every second counts. Music sets the mood. A gentle piano track equals emotional. A fast beat equals exciting adventure.
Pico's tiny heart pounds as he stands alone at the river's edge, where the warmth of dawn meets the shadow of an approaching storm. The wind stirs the reeds like ghostly fingers, and Pico shivers, caught between fear and the courage to find his way. A shadow glides over the water, silent, swift, and menacing, reminding Pico that danger always circles those who are small. Lightning cracks the sky as Nico clings desperately to the broken log. Through wind and wave, Pico fights the current, driven by something stronger than fear. With every push, Pico edges the log closer to safety. In the hush after the storm, two strangers become something more, bound by the bravery that saved them both. High above, a shadow watches, silent, sharp, and hungry, while below, Pico freezes, heart pounding with dread. When the sky itself turns against them, Nico does not run. She leaps, because friends are worth fighting for. And the hawk's shadow breaks, leaving Pico safe and Nico standing. And as the river flows on, two souls stronger together, guarding a friendship that will never fade.
Bonus, pro viral and monetization tips. 1. Optimize your upload for viral reach. Title. Use engaging, curiosity-driven titles that guaranteed to be searchable, plus clickable about the topic. Description. Include and repeat 3 times main keywords, AI tools used, and call to action. Tags. Use trending keywords and broad keyword niche. Optimize upload time. Post between 6 p.m. 10 p.m. for maximum engagement. Create a series. Viewers love episodic content, so create a multi-part Duck Quest series. Respond to every comment to boost engagement and trigger the algorithm. Remember, post on multiple platforms to max chance your viral video. 2. Enable YouTube monetization. To turn on this function, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. 3. Diversify income streams. Upload to TikTok Creator Fund and Instagram Reels. Play bonuses. Using affiliate marketing strategy. Recommend AI tools in your description with your unique links. Sponsorships. Brands love animated content. 4. Increase watch time. Use cliffhangers to keep viewers engaged. Add call to action. Watch till the end for a surprise. Remember, reply to comments as quick as you can to boost interaction. 5. SEO optimization. Use long-tail keywords like how to create AI animation videos and keyword that explain the niche and include search terms. Add engaging titles and descriptions by using ChatGPT. Pin a comment with extra resources. Pro tips. The more people watch till the end, the more YouTube recommends your video. So make your content unskippable. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button so YouTube shares this with more creators. Hit subscribe for more AI-powered video tutorials. Comment below. What's your first Duck Quest video idea? I'll personally check out your ideas. Your creativity has the power to change your life. All it takes is action. So start today, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy editing.